Okay, for number 3, it says when the digits of a two-digit number are reversed. Okay, so again, your let statements are the same. So let x represent the tens digit, and let y represent the ones digit. Okay, now, so the number we're looking for is going to be in the form xy, right? X is the tens digit, y is there. Okay, so we keep that in mind. Now it says when the digits of a two-digit number are reversed. So this first statement is saying when we write it as yx. Now remember, the value of yx would be y times 10 plus 1 times x, right? Or x times 1. So this is the value of this yx. And the value of xy, right, the value, just so we know it, is 10x plus y. That's the value of it. Okay, so it says, when the digits are reversed, the new number is, what they mean is the new value of the number. So that's this, 10y plus x. The new number is 36 more than, is equals 36 more than the original number, the value of the original number, which is 10x plus y. Okay, there's the first equation. Then it goes on to say the units digit is twice the tens digit. Okay, so they're talking about the original number. The units digit, so that's y, is twice the tens digit, 2 times x. So there's our equation. Okay, now I'm going to simplify this first equation, right? So let's simplify this first equation. So I have 10y plus x equals 36 plus 10x plus y. So if I subtract y from both sides, I get 9y plus x equals 36 plus 10x. And if I subtract 10x, I get 9y minus 9x equals 36. And we could even divide both sides of this equation by 9, right, to make it even easier. So we get y minus x equals 4, right? Okay. So now these two systems are really, the top equation is y minus x equals 4. And the bottom one is still the same, y equals 2x, right? So now how can we solve these? We could substitute, right? That's probably easy. I'll take the 2x and put it in for y. So we get 2x minus x equals 4, right? We substitute this 2x in for this y, right? So I get 2x minus x is x equals 4. That was easy. And now we could use this equation to get y. So y equals 2 times 4, y equals 8. So the number is 48. Remember, because the original number we're looking for is xy. So the number is 48.